And you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
All right, welcome back to me, back to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. We are coming to you live from the number one tourist destination in Central Luzon for how many straight years now? 11 straight years now. How awesome is that, huh? 11 straight years, the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay. And time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. All right. Aside from NIDEC officials visiting our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator Eduardo Jose L. Alino, he also welcomed, do you guys know that? He also welcomed Hall of Famer, World Bowling Hall of Famer, Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno. All right, during his courtesy visit with Pampanga Congressman Juan Pablo Rimpi Puyat Bondok and Engineer Gilbert Gavino at the chairman's office. All right, this was just yesterday. Okay. Yeah, the number one bowler. He's regarded as number one bowler in the world. Yes, he is. He broke Guinness Book of Records. He broke records, that's listed in the Guinness Book of Records. Paeng Nepomuceno visited our dear SBMA Chairman and Administrator. Wow, okay. And also in the news, representatives from the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority and Ben Line agencies visited several piers and wharves in the Freeport for ocular inspection as the Freeport is eyed to become a home and turnaround port for international cruise lines. This proposed joint venture is another step towards the materialization of the vision of both the SBMA Tourism and Seaport Departments in making Subic Bay a cruise home port destination in the Philippines. Before the inspection, Ben Line agencies Matt Jolly and Captain Terence Oitingban met first with the SBMA Chairman and Administrator Engineer Eduardo Jose L. Alino, SBMA board members Raul Marcelo and Attorney Tomas Lahom III, and several other SBMA officials. All right, awesome piece of news. SBMA officials and Ben Line agencies checked on the piers and wharves here that we have here in the Subic Bay Freeport for ocular inspection. Okay, you know, if this would push through the Freeport to become the home and turnaround port for international cruise lines, you know what that translates to? Well, there you go. There you have it. More jobs, of course. All right. And this time, I would like to invite you guys for your curtains and window blinds needs. Check out Collings Home of Curtains and Window Blinds. All right. Nasa Facebook to of my good friend Jenny Calling. Okay? You may call or text the official call or text hotline 0932-204-8817. You may look it up also on Facebook. Okay? And if you want to visit, the Calling Home of Curtains and Window Blinds is located at the Kalayaan Hub Com Building, Old Cabalan, Olongapo City, Victory Liner Compound. All right. In Subic, they have their branch there, 94 National Highway, Manganbaca, Subic, Zambales. And Dinalupihan branch, number 31, San Ramon Highway, Dinalupihan, Bataan. Collings Home of Curtains and Window Blinds. All right. And next up also, we would like to invite you guys, yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho ngayon, yung mga the youngsters. Ito yung pang mga kabataang trabaho no. SNR is in need of the following. Well, kahit hindi kabataan, kahit and above, hindi naman sila namimili masyado. As long as you can do the job, syempre. Production clerk and cashier. Ayan. Sabi ni Kuya Dennis Marasigan. They are in dire need na of people to fill in the vacant positions there at SNR. Production clerk and cashier, apply now. Go straight to SNR Pizza at the Harbor Point Mall. Alam niyo naman kung nasaan yung SNR dyan sa Harbor Point Mall, right? Okay? So once again, SNR is in need of production clerk and cashiers. Apply now. Okay? Immediate hiring, job openings for you guys. Okay? And if you were planning on watching the movies, weekend na, tama-tama, no? Here's the movie schedule for SM City, Olongapo Central, and Downtown. Cinema 1 at SM Central, and Cinema 2, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Cinema 3, Bag of Lies. Cinema 4, The Fall Guy. Cinema 5, Tarot as in tarot cards, okay? Pero sabi nila, silent daw eh. Taro. Godzilla X Kong at Cinema 6. For SM Downtown, Cinema 1, Bag of Lies, alternating with Tarot. Cinema 2 and 3, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Yung pelikula ni ano? Planet of the Apes. si ano, yung bida. Yun, oo, siya. Oo. And some more invites for you. I'm just trying to pull your leg, you know. Some more invites for you. Nasaan na ba ako? Nawala na. from SM City, Olongapo Central, SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Ito pa. Okay. Karamiya is now open at the ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central then. Okay? And CBTL free upsize offer is still ongoing until December 31. Meaning, whole year round na yan. Dire-diretso na. Okay? And check out the Kabalen free buffet with your Smack Advantage card. Okay, just bring in 4 paying customers. Second level of SM Central, Kabalen. All right. And at the food court, check out the free A&W root beer. Root beer ito the free A&W root beer at the SM Food Court, 4th level. Okay. Now, how to avail of that? Don't worry, I got you covered. Ito. How to avail? Have your receipt. Okay, for every 250 pesos minimum receipt, single receipt at the SM Food Court and SM Food Hall branches nationwide. Present nyo lang yung receipt nyo. It started May 6 up until June 6 siya, okay? So, dine there at the food court, okay? Nationwide to all food courts of SM Supermalls. And check out the Our Home mattresses for the month of May, up to 80% off plus 10% off via your Smack Advantage or Smack Prestige card. Our Home, 3rd level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? And the shoes and bags sale up to 50% off May 1 to 31 at the SM store. Mark your calendars, okay? And the famous Belgian waffles is now open. Okay, at the SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Do check it out, okay? So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM Central and SM City, Olongapo Downtown, giving you one of Metallica's best hits now. If you notice, I've been playing a couple of, back to back. A lot of Metallica songs. It's because, maybe perhaps because I'm wearing my favorite Metallica shirt. All right? And my shirt features the cover for the album where this, song belongs to, from 1989, okay? This is from the album. Here's the cover. And Justice for All. Yan. Someday we will all get justice. Yung mga naapi, yung mga hindi trinato ng tama, hindi trinato ng patas, hindi trinato ng pantay-pantay. Someday we will all get our justice. Ayan. And Justice for All, sabi nga ng Metallica. This is a cut from that album from 1989, one of Metallica's best. This is called One. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.